Good morning, guys. This is Alan here. And what you're witnessing right now is me missing a trade on ES. So I wanted to take the sell up here, right, to target my levels below. However, price decided to move away from it. I was waiting for it to see if it get back up above midnight opening, just because I saw this tag lower go below midnight opening price, and it comes right back up to fill this imbalance. And I wasn't on the chart when I saw this happen. I would kind of went I was like right here, and I was debating to see if I should just let it go. But this is just going to be a tape reading example, right? Can't catch all the trades, right? Like ICT yelled at me last night. Can't take all the trades, right? But let's just tape read this and see what happens. So we see price coming lower now, takes out this level here, looking for this here, right? Price should want to come lower and tag this. So let's drop to the one. Let's drop to the one. No trades. I'm not gonna enter, not even on a demo. Hypothetically, you could enter off this right here, hypothetically, right, if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna do it. It's right here. And if if I do it and it comes up higher, I'm just gonna be in way more drawdown than I want. So I'm just gonna let it go. And we're just gonna watch to see how price moves towards these levels here. Right. So this is the low. Make sure you remember that. So we do have, you know, a nice little fair value gap here, imbalance there. We'll see how price wants to move there. Yeah, as of right now, I'm not going to enter anything, just watching it. Now, if it could try to fight its way back up to take out this high here, maybe come up to midnight opening, I might consider taking a sell here on a demo. Might. So we'll see how this plays out. And at the moment, we're just going to just keep watching price move. But this is probably going to be a short video just because, price rate moving towards these levels that I already have outlined this level here. So I have not taken any trades today, right? If you guys want to see that, like I have not taken any trades today, right? No trades, just watching price. But I try to demo, so I might just record this one for my journal, just because, like I said, it came up to midnight opening price, above midnight opening price, and then work towards sell side liquidity. So if anything, if I can't get a demo, I'll just treat this as my demo. This trade right here, this trade outline. So this is what I used to do for my trade journal, like a long time ago. I would watch these moves pan out, and then I would journal what happened, and then I would keep that in my journal as a trade that I potentially saw. So I'm not sure if you guys watch ICT's newer videos where he talks about that, how trading you need this because you're building that experience through back testing. Instead of live testing, you're building that experience through back testing. So this is an example of where I would journal this. So for example, I would say, price from here to here, right? Came above to level of premium. Premium, there's a fair value gap or imbalance, right? And as soon as we see that, we take a potential sell here to trade lower. Your first partial is here, your TP is right here. Does that make sense? So that's what I would do, something along the lines of saying like right here. Let's do that, like partials right there. Boom. And then I'll change this to TP. And I probably use a different color. I probably just use like blue or purple. Cool. So that's what I would personally do if I, like I said, if I was gonna just want to journal this if I can't catch anything else for the PM. But yeah, if that makes sense. So level of premium here, right? Price trades up into level of premium, which takes a short. You take the retracement here in the lower time frame, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, 2 and 1. Yeah. So you could maybe, as soon as this shows lower, you could maybe take this sell here if you wanted to. But like I said, this would have been the ideal sell off the 5. Yeah, TP hits right now. See, so TP gets hit now. And that's basically how I would journal a backtesting trade, because I know a lot of you guys been asking as well, like how do I journal backtesting or how do you backtest? So this is an example of how I would backtest, right? So this was a draw that I identified, and I'm looking to see if price gives me a potential entry. This is the draw. I want to see price get down here. Price gets down here, right? And I would do maybe use this, maybe put an arrow key here, draw that there, make that, red for sell. So selling there, and I am buying back here. So make this blue. Boom. And last position would be here. Boom. So remember, this is not a trade, obviously. I'm just doing this for a journal. And then I would I'll use my snipping tool, and then I would, take this and paste in my journal just to show myself like, hey, this is where you would enter at, right? And then if you want to write notes here, say price trades and fills imbalance in an area of premium. Premium. Okay, let's put that there. Premium. All right. And then I think you can add in like the draw is New York low. So draw on liquidity is New York low. You can see that, boom. Draw liquidity is New York low, right? Price gives you a nice entry here, right? Above. You could also add this too. So I would add this. So air premium plus above midnight opening price. And this basically, what this means, is that you're trading with the market makers. Market makers are not going to try to sell down here. That's why I said I don't really want to sell down here. As you can see, it doesn't really want to get back up here. As soon as price comes down to midnight opening price, retraces above it, this is where they want to sell, ideally. This is why you see after it comes up, you see a big push lower, try to take out these lows, right? We have one more here, but this is an example of how you would journal this and you would backtest this, right? So this is the end right here. This is where I would say this is the end for it if we get down there. But this is just an example. So drawing liquidity in New York low right there. This would be right here to show you above midnight opening price, right? In the area of premium, right? And if you wanted to, I don't really like doing my fib just because I already have it in my head, but you can kind of leave this here to show like where you want to like where you took your entry. It's above the 50. This is the fib, right? So if you guys want to do that, you guys could. I like to keep my chart a little clean. So I do this right here. And then I just, take a screenshot, put it in my journal. This would be a way to continue to basically strengthen my price reading skills and build my experience, like ICT says, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? Tough that I really couldn't get a trade, but still identify how to demo if you're not in the trade, if that makes sense. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know this is a quick one, but yeah, good luck and good trading for tomorrow, guys.